Now it's time to tackle my range. I remove everything from around the area. I use Barkeeper's Friend on the hard water stains on my stainless. I spray Dawn Power Wash on my range grates and burner covers and let them sit in the sink. Then I start at the top of the space and use my homemade cleaner on my range hood inside and out. I wipe down my tile backsplash with warm water and Dawn. Then I spray Dawn on my range top, being careful not to get it inside the burner mechanisms. I wipe the Dawn off and then use Barkeeper's Friend. I remove the knobs from my oven and soak them with the grates in hot water and Dawn. After the Barkeeper's Friend has been sitting for a few minutes, I wipe it all off. I rinse off the grates and knobs and set them on a large towel to dry. While my ovens are self-cleaning, I soak my oven racks in Dawn Power Wash and hot water. Then I scrub them with a toothbrush and my Rubbermaid scrubber. When the self-cleaning cycles are done, I use the homemade cleaner on the outside of my ovens and then give them a shine. I wipe out the inside of the ovens with the homemade cleaner as well. I put the knobs, burner covers, and range grates back on the range. I wipe off all my decor and bottles with my homemade cleaner before putting it all back on the shelves. After the racks are dry, I put them back in the oven. Hope that helps. Now, let's get it dirty again.